Our next chapter was for reflection. Now, reflection, as a teacher, you look at the competence. The competence there is the learner reflects shapes in different contexts and identify lines of symmetry. So what are the learning outcomes? Learning outcomes are identify lines of symmetry, reflects shapes and objects, apply reflection in the Cartesian plane. Now, I'm specifically now focusing on that. Now here, our scenario or our AI is giving us that a man whose house is located on the other side of the road. Now you see that we have coordinates, but they are in tens. So it's better also to change our score. Remember what we covered earlier, the Cartesian, rectangular Cartesian in 2D. So now a student now knows how to do the scale. So that's why I use the scale of 10, 10 because of the coordinates I have. So the corners of the house were A, 10, 30. Now this line, they gave us, it was reflected in a linear road which is similar to y equals to x. Now y equals to x is a very simple line to plot. When x is 0, y should be 0 because for any value of y, it should be equal to the value of x. Remember, we need only two coordinates. So 0, 0, then 10, 10. So I plot this point and I draw a line passing through 0, 0 and 10, 10. That's the y equals to x. You don't forget to label. You also label the axes like that. So A, 10, 30. We have the 10, then we also have our 30, which is here. So 10, 30, here and here. So remember, for you are using a graph. This is my A, point A. Then I come to B, which is 40, 60, 40, then 60, around there. 40, 60, 40, then 60 there. 40, 60, around there. This is my B. Then I come to the next one, which is 20, 80. 20 is there. 20 is there. Then my 80 is where? 80 is there. So this is my next corner, which is C. Then the last one is negative 10, 50. Negative 10, which is here. Then 50. Which is around here. Negative 10, 50. So this is my D. This is my object now, D. So this is my D. Then after, we join the coordinates to see the shape we have. So that's the shape I have. Now, we want to reflect this through this. So you know the idea of reflection. If you don't know, you can go in details by looking at going to the playlist. Then you check for reflection. You will see all the details on reflection. Now, I'm going to reflect this so that I can get the coordinates I'm looking for. So reflection, the easiest way, you can use a set square, but you can also use a compass in case you don't have a set square like me. So what do we do? Now this is our reflection line. It's going to reflect this side. What do we do? You put here, then you put at this point A. I want to reflect point A. You draw an arc there. Put at point A. You draw an arc there. Then you also draw an arc there. Then you can add just a bit. You put here. You draw an arc somewhere. Do an arc there. Then also come, change, you put your here. So we can draw another arc here. Put there. Sorry, I've changed my compass is misbehaving. Draw ours there. Okay, then you change this, you also draw it there. So now you measure this distance here. The distance from here up to here, you come also measure it from here up to here. So that's going to be exactly there. So this is our distance. Remember, we said that the distance of the object from the mirror line is equal to the distance of the image from the mirror line. That's why I'm doing that. I also come to point B, I do the same. Point B, just a bit there, and there, and there, draw it there, and also come here, draw it there. Then I'm going to read off this distance from here up to here. From the real line up to here is the distance there I'm looking for. Then I come, and then my distance is going to be still somewhere there. Then after, this means that this is going to be my coordinate of A prime, then this is going to be the coordinate of B prime. Remember, where your distance from here touches is where you're going to be able to read off your coordinate like that. So this is B prime, this is. Then I come to now C, I do the same. C, I just put here, can now use this still. Okay, let me make it a bit different. I use this, use that, then also there. Then you come, can put there, you do it there, and also here, do it there. If it's not enough, you come here, you redo it. So where they are meeting, somewhere there. Then I measure the distance from here up to this line. Then I measure the distance from there. See, from here up this line, it should be that distance. Then from here, I measure it somewhere there. So this is where my point C prime is. When I come to my point now, the D, the same idea. You put here, you bisect there, you drop an arc, can come, I put here, I drop an arc for my D, drop an arc there, then come, drop your arc there, then come here, drop your arc there, then still, remember here we said, dropped it there, so from here, you come and you drop it again there. Then you come and measure the distance from here up the middle line, in that line there, up there, in that line. Then you also measure the distance from here, then you do an arc where it is, so that it's going to be somewhere there. So this is going to be my D prime. So that's the process. Then after, you join the coordinates of the image. Remember we said we use prime if we are dealing with the image. So then I come, join them. So my A to this, join it there where your A is, sorry. My A, D prime there. And I join it to this, the D. I join it to that. And I also join this B to A. And I also join this to this. You see that now I've reflected this. Remember I said in reflection, always the shape is the same. So the shape you get here is the same in size. The size also should be the same. And you see that clearly the distance from here up here is the distance from there up there. Then they told us the task was, help the engineer find the new coordinates of the new house after reflection. So what are our coordinates? I come to A prime. So you say the coordinates of the new, because it told us the coordinates of the house, the coordinates for the house. For the house after reflection we said you always have to respond to the task you are given. So there I'm responding because you earn a mark there. So when I come to my A prime, you can see my A prime is here, which is 30, then 10. 30, then 10. So it's the 30, 10. Remember already X first followed by Y. Then my B prime is, where is B? B is here, so that is 60, then 30 there, 60. I think this is 60, 40. 60, 40, yeah. 60, 40. I come to C prime. C prime is here. This was supposed to be 70, then this probably will be 80. So 80, 80, 80, 20. So 80, comma, 20. For your graph has the squares, you can properly read the coordinates. Then my D prime there. Where's my D prime? My D prime is C50. Then I think it's C50, then negative 20. So 50, comma, negative 20. Those are the new coordinates. So you have responded, so you have all the marks. So that's it. If you want to see more in reflection in details, please go to the playlist, scroll down, you'll see reflection as the whole topic. That's it. Chop chop.